Here's how to check if you're an admin of a Facebook page or how to add new admins. First, you're going to want to open your Facebook app or log into Facebook on your computer. From there, click on the Facebook page whose permissions you're trying to change and scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy, Settings, and then you're brought to this page here. At this point, you're going to hit on Page Settings and then scroll down until you can find Page Access. As you can see, it says here, invite people to help manage your page and control who has access. So if you click on this, this is really cool because you can actually adjust the level of access that you give the different people who are managing this Facebook page. So first off, you're going to see here people with access to the Facebook page. Of course, I'm there as well. So you can see right away all of the different permissions that I have. Obviously, being the creator of the page, I have every permission available to me. If you want to tell if you're an admin of a Facebook page or want to know what you are allowed to do as the admin of a specific Facebook page, this is where you can see that information. It's going to show you right here. I can edit content, I can take messages and calls, I can provide community activity, I can promote ads, I can look at insights, I can do everything. So under that, you'll see people with task access. So this is really cool. This allows you to specifically filter the type of activity you want to allow somebody to do on your Facebook page. So I'm going to give an example of that. I'm going to hit add new, go to next. I'll type in a random name, Bob. And here, Bob Green. I'm not sure who you are, but I'm going to give you permission to run ads on the page. So that's also going to give them access to insights by default. Of course, they're tied together. But that's really cool because if I hire Bob just to do my advertising, then I can allow him just to do my advertising. He's not able to post new content. He's just allowed to promote my pre-existing content, and he's not allowed to reply to any messages or any calls or anything like that. So it's a very cool system because specifically in this case, I have somebody just running my ads. I can give them access to only the ads, which is really nice. I can also switch that up and say that I just want him to have access to my content. So this way, he is going to be a social media manager for me. He's not going to be so much an ad manager. So he can go through and make any changes he wants. Again, you'll notice with this that it has checked off community activity and messages and calls as well, because those are all tied in together on Facebook. So at this point, you just hit give access and allow permission for Bob to manage my content. I'm not going to do that. Now, if I go up here to people with Facebook access, I can hit add new. I'm going to hit next. And again, I'll type in a random name. This time I'll do Jim, and I'll add somebody who comes up. Jim Stone sounds good to me. If I select this permission here, it's going to essentially make Jim a full access admin. He's going to have access to do everything on the page that I would be able to do. Of course, I'm the owner because I'm the one who originally created the page, but Jim is going to be allowed to create advertisements, to respond to messages and calls, to post new content to the page. He's going to essentially have carte blanche access to whatever he wants on the page. So if I want to give him full access, I can just check this off and I can hit give access. The only big issue here that you really want to pay attention to is if you select give this person full control, it does mean that they have the ability to remove you from the page. So only do this with someone you really, really trust. Most of the time, you just want to give them access to content, messages, calls, all those things, ads, insights, and just hit give access. Then Jim would become a full admin, and there'd be nothing to worry about in terms of him removing me. I'd still be the priority owner, but that is an option for you if you want. Again, if I give Jim full control, he's also going to have the ability to delete the page entirely. So you really only want to give that out unless you're super, super confident. Maybe it's a family member, someone you really trust, that they can have absolute full access. Otherwise, I would just leave that alone. Give Jim full access to the content, to the ads, to everything that he may need to access, but he's still not going to be able to outrank you when it comes to creating new things on the Facebook page and potentially deleting or removing you. So there you go. That's how you provide admin access to your Facebook page, or how you check if you're an admin of a specific Facebook page. Don't forget to stick around. We got tons of great content coming up just like this. I'll see you in the next one.